Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a relatively simple tutorial. I took most of my old set off. I did leave a little bit on my nails because I find that if I want to speed up the process, I don't necessarily have to take it all the way down. And I wasn't quite sure if I was going to do the glitter on that one, and then I decided to do it on my middle finger. So this is French Press from Elegance. And I love this glitter so much. I'm still wearing the nails right now and I love them. I love this set way more than I thought I would. But yeah, so I am taking French Press on the middle finger and I am just really placing it where I want it to be, focusing most of the color in the middle of the nail versus the outside edge. But again, obviously you want to cover the edges as well, but I'm again keeping it towards the middle. So I am using Fastlane buttercream at the end, and I am just building my nails just with one step. I didn't add any color. I debated using like the pink one step because I haven't used it yet, and I got it, which you'll see in a haul here and probably maybe next this video, obviously not this video because I'm recording this video, but maybe next video that goes up after this one, I will do that haul. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. So yeah, so I did that slip layer of one step and then I come in, and this is fast forwarded obviously, I come in and build it up, and then I'm going to cure that bad boy. I'm going to show you one more. This one I did not need to build up as much because I had that glitter, but I wanted to give me that a little bit larger of a clear base. But you can see I really don't need to build this one up much. So I will go ahead and let you watch that. I think I build this one out and then I do the French press and then I just fast forward. All right, so I am cleansing the nails. If you follow me, I am a habitual cleanser, but obviously you have to cleanse at this point because I'm going to file. Now, I wanted these to be I guess they're technically a tapered square. They're not quite coffin because they're not long enough. And if they were a little bit longer, I probably could have, although the ring finger and then the pinky, it got pretty good, and the thumb isn't bad. I just think maybe my middle finger and my pointer weren't the best. I get a little bit out of frame, but I'm sorry. But I left this in real time. This is the only one that I'm showing you. But I'm showing you here that I'm actually pulling my skin back so I can get that file really close in there. And then again on the other side. But of course, I'm a little bit out of frame. By the time, filing is always so hard to get in frame because I want to pull it closer to myself. And then I realize I'm not in frame and I kind of move it up just a little bit. But so yeah, I will go ahead and let you finish watching this. All right, the best tip in the book after this is tack. That's right, apply tack over the nails if you are about to put some buttercreams on, because it's life-changing, I promise you. So I am taking that Fast Lane buttercream. I like to concentrate really on that first coat. Not that I don't concentrate on the second coat, but that first coat, you can see I'm in real time. I am taking my time. And if I ever get any on me, I tend to wipe it off pretty much immediately, because I do not want this stuff on my skin, because I don't want to develop an allergy. Although I'm not the best, okay? I tend to get it on my skin, especially filming. Filming is the worst for me. I'm just kidding. So yeah, I go ahead and put that first layer on all of the nails, nice and thin, and then we build it up with the second layer. So I will go ahead and let you watch this. I keep this in real time. And then actually I fast forward when I do the second layer, and then when I touch up that middle finger with the French press on it. So I will actually go ahead and let you watch all of that, and then I will be back. Okay, so now we are going to cleanse this nail, because we are putting some striping tape on this nail, and I find if I cleanse it, it gives it that matte finish, and it makes it so much easier to adhere. I thought this tape was kind of a, because like French press, I feel like is a gold and rose gold, like fine, but it shows more rose gold. And I thought this kind of tape was the same. However, this tape is definitely a hollow gold, but I thought it would match well. I mean, it's not terrible. I will say that it's not terrible, but it's not like the perfect match. So I don't actually ever touch the striping tape that is adhering to my nail. And the reason I don't do that is because I want that perfect adhesion. So if you don't touch the tape and you see I cut off a lot, you're not wasting your 99-cent striping tape. I promise you will get through that. So I just push it down, almost like burnishing it onto my nail. And then I immediately top coat and go into that lamp. So I guess since I only had to do one nail with that, I just went ahead. And I kind of like let it sit for a second and let the top coat kind of like fade out. Does that make sense? And I especially do that with this matte top coat. So that is by Light Elegance. That's flat matte, and I was using Kiara Sky No before. But literally let your matte top coat. Sit on your nails for a second before you cure. Otherwise, it's gonna be a mess, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.